Before we start, imagine discussing video topic with AI. This is how this brainstorming tool work. Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Brainstorming Buddy. Now to use it, what you will do is just open your browser like this. Here, type in this link. On your search bar, what you do now is just click on search. As you can see, wait for it to load. It will bring you to your YouTube Studio site. Here on your YouTube Studio site, what you will do is just click here, click this video icon here. What you do here is just click on this inspiration here. It will bring you to the brainstorming dashboard. You see the brainstorming dashboard. Now what you will do here is just click here, this let's brainstorm. Here, describe the video topic here. You want the AI to give you detail or to give you title of it. Now type the video topic like this. Now after typing the topic, what you do is just click on this create idea and then wait for it. As you can see, this AI brainstorming tool will be researching about the idea topics, but know that this is still improving. As you can see, you see the ideas. You can ask it as many as you want by typing it here. Now you see the idea is table down, you see it. Also make sure you read this here, read it to get more detail, to get more information about the brainstorming AI tool here. You see it. This is still improving tool. It is not yet 100% perfect. You can see it. You can also click on the video idea like this. You see the title, you see the description, also you see the outline. It's still generating the outline. Also you see the thumbnail. You can use this thumbnail. You see it. Also you see the title, it shows down. You see the title, is table down here. Also you can see this needed more inspiration here. Here is where you can dive into another description, another inspiration. I'll see it. Also here, by clicking on this show more, it will elaborate or it will expatiate the information. You see it here. You see more details about or more title or more description about the topic. Also you can copy any idea you want just by clicking on it and then click on this copy icon. You see it. Now you can go back just by clicking here. You can save your idea just by clicking this save. It will save your idea. You see, you have saved the idea. You can find the saved idea by going back here and then click on saved idea here. You see the saved idea. You see it. So this is just you and AI discussing video topic. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss out on my new tech tutorial. And also if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.